Hello, hello, hello. It is such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fun day, yeah, yeah. Woo! Such a great singing day. It's always a good day to just, give out a little bit of a song, write a song, help somebody with their singing. That's why I'm here. I'm here today. Well, actually, it's evening, and I normally record in the day, but I thought, no, I got to get this out today. I got to talk to you because I need your help. Normally, I'm just giving you what I think you need. All right? I know what you need, and I'm assuming sometimes that this is what you want to hear about from me. But what I need to know from you is what you want. Now, what I give you may be exactly what you want. Some people have said, oh, that's exactly what I needed to hear, Marquita. Thank you. And I'm like, yes, great. I hit the nail on the head, But I think that sometimes I'm not getting it. I'm not getting what you really want. I'm getting what you need. I know that, and I give that out. But I think some of you, or maybe a lot of you, are saying, I wish she'd talk about, oh my gosh, just getting, talk more about being able to survive in the business, keeping positive towards your voice, and understanding your sound, or, not getting hoarse when you're going into a recording studio and you've been there for a while and you're just starting to get tired and this is happening over and over again, or maybe it's about how do I keep my voice in shape, or it could be any number of things that you might want. And like I said, I know what you need, and I'm giving you what I feel, what I know, what I know you need. But you got to tell me now, what do you want? What do you want me to go over? Because I know a lot about the voice. I've been through it all. I've had the doctors hurt my voice when I was younger. I've said this before, but I'm going to say it again. I had nodes, which are benign tumors on the vocal folds, and I got over them. I had a student that she was having problems with her voice. She had nodes. I got her past that. So I know about illnesses with the voice. I know how to repair. I know how to give you exercises. I know how to encourage you. But what do you want? Okay, I need your help because I want to know if there's something I'm missing that I could give to you. Because it is about me giving you what you need to move on in your life, to be happy about your sound, to have success with your muscles, keeping them strong. Okay? So don't be shy. Leave me a comment. Let me know what it is you want me to do videos on. Not what I think you need, because like I said, I know what you need. And I'm thinking I'm giving you what I need, but maybe you have something there that you're going, I really wish she would talk about. Okay? So I'm here to serve you, to help you. It's a journey. And a lot of times it isn't easy. So that's why I want to be there for you. That's why I need to know what you want. Okay? All right. Well, you have a great, great rest of the day. It's actually evening right now. I normally videotape in the day, and it's in the evening, and I said, I gotta ask the question, what do you want? Okay? All right. Well, keep singing. Don't stop your singing. Keep going. Know that if you keep going and you're consistent with your voice, that you will reap the reward of that. I know. I do it all the time. I keep vocalizing. I keep working on my voice. And it lasts, it gets better. Okay? It is a journey, though. because it's inside us, right? This voice is inside us. So everything that we do is, it comes on our voice. Okay. That's it. Don't forget, you've got to leave a comment. You've got to tell me what you want. All right? Because it's such a day, yeah. Woo! Such a mighty fun day. Ooh, such a mighty fun day. Ooh, yeah. Woo-hoo. So much fun. See ya. Bye-bye.